We can attach certain keywords to the select statement to output different types of results. For example, we can use the distinct keyword to output only unique values from specified columns in a table. The distinct keyword eliminates any duplicate records that would normally have been outputted with a basic select statement. To use the distinct keyword, just replace your existing SQL statement with this line. So here, this is the distinct keyword in our select statement, and we've only specified that we want to query the first name column. If you wanted to attach multiple columns, you can do so by adding a comma and then the second column. But in this case, we'll just do one column. And then we also have to specify what table we want to query. In this case, it's users. Now, the next thing we need to edit here is in our echo statement, we're outputting all the values in each column. Okay, this time we only want to output the first name. So you're going to have to replace the echo statement with this echo statement. So this time we're just outputting the name because that's all we're looking for, first name. So now if we press the refresh button, you'll notice that all the first names have been outputted. This is because we did not have any values that were duplicate, but if we did, you'd notice that they wouldn't be in this list.